No, those problem will be not.
Menteri Katanat Boarding ka Sorkar Jilla U80 Mondal ula pentep bana kalyang ka IIT Guwahati kala ajing mod bansyang no da ka dobilan ya kalenti yat ha ka jingkieng Umiam dam site bat ba ka jing maramat ya ka ni ka jingkieng onla ban pendap tat Haduh bnai Naitung ubanwan. Habakaran Syakila patai kubor ha ka katlai terik jembang Mondal ulaong. Hakatayo balala ulalet jurup ya kadam bat kajing keli kalami baya kamadan ne kalentiyat an siang no da kibuchamen ne kadobilan. Ulaong bahadin kajing amir jingmut bat ka IIT Guwahati hakaba kala ajingmut bangidei ban siang da kadobilan da kaba pensyong nong rim halwar kibabun kidaw. Kumta kani ka shimpor kumba arpu prasngi AA ban pendap ya kajing tere ulaong umentri.
You are aware that we have engaged IIT Guwahati for our technical support and all these things, and we are working in sync with them, including the contractors who are working here. Last week I had a visit on the dam, and there is a question that whether the surface will be bituminous surface or reinforced surface. So we consulted IIT. IIT is suggesting that we should go for concrete surface because of many technical reasons. So accordingly, we are now removing all those bitumen from the top of the bridge and also the dam, and so also the previous surface which has been laid there, and definitely will go as per the decision of the IIT. IIT is suggesting that we should go for RCC surface, and if you go for RCC surface after clearing one side of the bitumen and then all those unwanted portions also like concreting done on top of the original structure, then we will cast one side, and when we go for concrete laying, we'll have to go for a long time for curing, for give the sufficient time. So that will take around 28 days approximately. Then we can open that side and we come back for the other side. So the original plan to go for bituminous surfacing and then to complete the bridge on schedule, we are on that. But because of this new requirement, maybe we will offshoot little bit. We will take some more time. But personally, we feel also that it is better to do now. Maybe our esteemed people who are traveling through the road, they are facing a lot of problems. But if it is done, it will be done for good as far as possible. So that is the present status as per the retrofitting work. So we'll be laying one side first, then wait for that specific time. Then we'll allow the vehicle to fly from that side, and then the other side where the bitumen and other concrete is there will be removed clean and then casted, and that also will take. So this will take some more time as what we expected that by June we should finish, but we may go or beyond maybe July, but we'll try to finish it off within July itself.